Looking for a best digital marketing institute? You want to learn digital marketing? Maybe you're a student, a working professional, a job seeker. You want to grow your business by learning digital marketing. Do you know what? How you can become expert in digital marketing? How you can get a proper knowledge about digital marketing? Do you know what is the mantra of getting expert in digital marketing? Yes, by doing. You can become expert in digital marketing by doing. At Edupract, we focus on that only. We focus on teaching students practical knowledge. You will learn by doing. Yes, आप सीखोगे उसको implement करके. At Edupract, we focus on that only. You will be learning by doing. Hello, my name is Vineet and I'm the co-founder and a chief mentor for digital marketing at Edupract. Trained more than 15,000 students, delivered more than 300 seminars, worked for companies like L&T, Mahindra as well as Zomato. I'll be your mentor and I'll be your teacher for digital marketing at Edupract Nashik. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you why you should choose Edupract to learn digital marketing. So here are the reasons why you should choose Edupract to learn digital marketing. As I said, we follow the mantra, learn and apply. Yes. At Edupract, you'll be getting a complete practical training. You'll be doing the live Facebook ads, live Google ads. You'll be creating the live website as well as you'll be implementing the live SEO. All the tools will be provided by Edupract itself and that too for free. Yes, you'll be learning thoroughly, practically. You'll be getting a classroom training as well as you can do an online training also at Edupract. You'll be getting a complete practical training. Updated syllabus. Edupract focuses on providing the industry required and the latest trends about digital marketing. Do you know every day or a month or a year there is something new coming to the world of digital marketing like AI, like any kind of new softwares? Edupract will provide you, we will teach you a latest updated knowledge about digital marketing, not any old outdated syllabus or any kind of outdated technique or any kind of technology, but we will be teaching you updated syllabus of digital marketing, and again by doing. Soft skills training. Yes, it's really important for any person to have a proper soft skills like people management, time management, team management. It's very important to learn if you want to grow in your corporate life or a business life. So we make sure that every students get a proper soft skills training. And do you know what? You will be learning from an experienced person who is working for Mahindra. That same person will teach you, the same mentor will teach you how to get or how you can acquire a proper soft skills, and we will be doing it by implementing 100% placement guarantee as well as 100% paid internship guarantee. Yes, we at Edupract promise you and we assure you that you will be getting 100% placement as well as you will be getting 100% internship, paid internship guarantee from Edupract. We will be signing up this agreement. This agreement will be between the student and the academy. Free tools and softwares. Yes, as I said, we follow the mantra, learn and apply. To do it practically, to learn practically, you will be requiring all the tools and softwares related to digital marketing. Don't worry, you don't need to buy anything. Edupract will give you completely for free. Maybe it's a website hosting, maybe it's a domain, maybe it's an SEO tool, or you will be also getting access to the live platforms like Facebook as well as Google. All the ads we run for our academy as well as for our clients. You'll be getting the access to that tools also. You'll be getting all the required tools completely for free. SEO tool or a website designing tool, everything you'll be getting completely for free. Nothing, you don't need to invest anything. Interview preparation. At Edupract, we have our own placement team who looks under the students' placement as well as will be also making you ready for the interview. Right from how to dress for the interview till how to communicate with the interviewer as well as what kind of questions, what are the tricky questions which will be asked to you, as well as what kind of practical they can ask you. We will be doing everything into the interview preparation. Yes, all the dummy interviews will be carried out at Edupract under the guidance of the experts. You will be getting a complete interview preparation class for free. Agency setup guidance. Yes, at Edupract, you will be getting agency setup guidance also if you are planning to start your own digital marketing agency or any kind of business. Edupract, the mentors at Edupract will be guiding you, helping you in each way, like how to register a company, how to get a first client. Everything will be guided by the Edupract mentors as well as the experts who are running their own businesses as well as doing the freelancing. They'll be helping you out in this. Hope this video was helpful for you. I'd like to invite you for a free 45 minutes masterclass. Yes, this masterclass is about what is digital marketing, how you can make your career into digital marketing, what are the jobs opportunity, business opportunity, what are the modules in digital marketing, what will be covering into the syllabus. Every question and every doubt I'll be solving you for free in this masterclass that will be completely for free. You can attend this masterclass online as well as you can attend it live inside the classroom in Nashik. So I'd like to invite you for this masterclass. Click the link below or you can call on this number and you can book your seat completely for free. See you in the masterclass.